What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys live with another YouTube video. We're here on the side of I don't know what street. But before we even get into that, this video is going to be absolutely phenomenal, so do not leave us just yet. Stay tuned. I got the man, the myth, the absolute legend, Mr. Bryson, right behind the camera here. He's an absolute stud. And then to make sure, on Instagram, go follow me at the Austin Lewis. This video is going to be epic, so make sure, stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the office. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my office tour. It wasn't even a tour, but my little B-roll that the man, the myth, Bryson put together. Drop in the comments below if you guys like my setup. I'm gonna be adding some more things to it. But obviously, you know, we're in the meats of this video, and now I'm gonna be able to share with you guys, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, the 2020 recession. You know, obviously I'm not a financial advisor. Honestly, what I always say on my YouTube channel is use it like a buffet table, right? Take what you like and leave what you don't like. This is solely my prediction. This is solely my opinion. So this does not have to matter, but obviously through educating myself and things like that, I'm gonna come share with you guys a little bit about, you know, some offensive strategies as well as some defensive strategies that you guys can have going into this 2020 recession, okay? So, you know, just some things just to kind of think about, you know, heading into the recession. I truly believe it's gonna be 2020. Again, this is a very contradicting video. This is gonna be an issue for some people. They're not gonna agree that in 2020 we're gonna have a recession. But, you know, just in case, whether it's in 2020 or it's in 2021, I'm gonna share with you guys some offense and some defense to be able to have in order to utilize it as a catapult for your success. Millions are made in a recession. That's where people are able to catapult, again, like I said, their success. So obviously right here, a couple of industries that are gonna be staying alive is gonna be real estate, right? No matter what, any industry, no matter what day and age it is, whether it's a recession or it's not, people always have to have a place to live, right? People always have to have a place to live. So real estate, we're always gonna be renting, we're always gonna be buying, we're always gonna be selling, right? The transactional real estate occurrence is always going to happen, right? ATM business, it is a part of real estate. People are still gonna need to get their hair cut, right? They're still gonna have to pull out cash at a barbershop and get their money, okay? So, ATM business, always gonna be here. Number 3, necessities, okay? Necessities are always gonna be bought, right? So most people right now, they're on Amazon buying stuff they don't really need. In a recession, that's not going to happen, right? They're not going to buy what I have up here, their wants, okay? Stay with me here. I'm gonna share with you guys offensive side of things to do and make sure you're set prepared for in a recession in 2020. And then I'm gonna share with you guys the defensive side coming right up. Google, it's hard to talk. My mouth is sore. That's something. That's a physical condition. I'm having a heart attack or something right now.
You're not having a heart attack. It's hard to talk, my mouth. Why does my mouth hurt? Jaw discomfort. Oh!
What is it? Heart attack? Yeah, having a heart attack. Be ready to call 911. At least get it on video. That might go viral. Yeah. We're good. Anyways, guys, back to this video. Offensive side of things to take care of is obviously, one, get yourself a passive income. Get yourself an income that is paying you after month after month after month after month. If you guys are not familiar with passive income, it is like an industry that continues to pay. For example, it is like owning an apartment complex. No matter what, people are still gonna need a place to live. That is a solid passive income that you could potentially have. Some of you guys are like, Austin, I can't afford an apartment complex. Great, well, go buy a little condo. Go buy yourself a little condo, right? And then rent it out. Rent it out, have that person pay down the mortgage. That is a passive income. You know, profit an extra $200, $300, $400, $500 a month. with renting your condo out, right? So create a passive income. ATM business, that is a passive income, right? There's so many different ways to create passive incomes, and maybe later on, me and Bryson will put together a video for you guys, and the coder will slam it down for you. So create a passive income, right? Creating a passive income. This is offense I'm talking about now, guys, okay? Then next but not least, networking. Networking is crucial. In a down market, in a recession, networking is crucial. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know. It's not about how much you know, but it's about how much of what you do know that you actually know, right? So networking on the offensive side of things when a recession is here is absolutely crucial because opportunities are going to come to you that you've never even had before. So diving into defense. Obviously, the most pointed thing, a lot of people have high credit cards, right? Their credit cards are completely maxed out, or they have a car payment or something like that, and they're paying high interest. Get rid of all high interest debt, okay? Get rid of all high interest debt. If you have a car and your loan is at 9%, get rid of your car or refinance, right? And do that immediately. Get rid of all your high percentage of debt. If you have a credit card with 50 grand on it, make sure that is not paid off, okay? So get rid of all high paying debt, high percentage debt. Obviously, you guys should already have this. Have a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, right? So for 3 to 6 months, what does it cost you to live on a daily basis? Maybe add some more cushion to it. I always like to do 6 months. Add some more cushion to that. Put a 3 to 6 month emergency fund inside of your bank account. That way, when a recession does hit, as I've been told and networking through our vast network of people, I heard it's going to be a long and slow recession, okay? So obviously, I would recommend definitely doing 6 months of a emergency fund. That way, if you do get laid off in your job or that business doesn't go the exact way, that you have a little bit of an emergency fund, right? So 6 months of what it is, of what it costs you to live on a monthly basis, okay? And then do not panic sell. If you guys are a business owner, or you guys are getting into that business, you guys are in that business right now, or you guys have those companies, or you own that house, do not panic sell, okay? Again, like I shared with you guys in the beginning of this video, a lot of fortune is made in a recession, okay? Millions are made in a recession. So the last thing you want to do as a business owner is do not panic sell, okay? Again, that is the defense side of things in the 2020 recession that I believe, yes, is going to happen in 2020. So drop down in the comments below what you guys are thoughts on this video. Drop down in the comments below what you guys would like to see in future videos on YouTube, as well as what are your guys' thoughts on a recession in 2020? Do you guys think it's going to happen? Do you believe it's going to happen? Do you guys agree with these strategies? Share with the comments below, and we'll see you guys in another video.